Hello, wealthy, successful, money making traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me today for another video. I'm so glad that you've chosen to spend time with me. Guys, I'm here to say I've screwed up, and I have screwed up royally. But before I cut this trade, I want to show you this screw up in a video, because there is no perfect system. The only thing that is close to perfect in trading is discipline. And I'll tell you how I screwed up last night. When I got in, it was really late, and I thought, oh, I'm not going to trade tonight. I looked at the market, saw an opportunity right away. I think I made some paper right away. Got stuck, stayed in because I was doing my hair. I thought, okay, I can do my hair. And I stayed in the market. One, I was too tired to be trading. And two, the market didn't do what it was that I wanted it to do. Now, this morning, and this is the hourly time frame, you can see I am way down here in a sell at the bottom of all of this price action. But to my defense, price was just kind of chopping up and down when I was in the market. So I decided not to cut this trade, because in my mind I was going to wake up and see all of this money. I'd already seen all of this money in my mind, and I was going to be really happy. So I decided against cutting the trade. Dumb. And even though my rules were violated on the smaller time frame, I went to larger time frames to support what I wanted to do. I went to the 4-hour and I went to the daily, and I said, oh, the market's bearish right now. Price is bearish, so it'll bounce back up, it'll come back down. And I went to bed, and guess what? When I got up, I was in the red. I was seriously in the red, looking at losing about 30% of my overall account balance. And I did not want to cut this trade before making a video, because I want to show you that anybody can screw up. That anyone can screw up. There is no perfect system. The only thing that's close to perfect in the market is discipline. Now let's take a look, and I will show you exactly where I screwed up. I screwed up right here last night. I was here, and price was just kind of going back and forth, and price began to accelerate. And before I thought it through, I was in that market because it started running. And I have a blog about being careful about running price action. But I got in anyway. Market turned right back up and came against me. It's pretty strong. I was like, it's been choppy all night anyway, I'll just leave it. That's when I went to the larger time frames to justify what I wanted to do. I should have been out of that trade. There was absolutely no excuse for this, except I'm a mind reader and I know more than the market. And this has happened to me more than once. This has happened to me, I think, about 3 times. And I actually have a little note on my laptop saying, don't go to sleep on the market. But I do. The problem with me going to sleep last night is I did not have a stop loss in place, which was really dumb. And the market ate my lunch for it. But this is where we are on, I'll show you the 4-hour first. And see, we had all of this bearish price action. And this is me knowing so much more than the market. And I went to the daily time frame. And this happens every once in a while. I actually made a video about this, because every once in a while in the market you'll get strong price action one way, and then the next day you get all of the price action back the other way. Now, it doesn't happen a whole lot in the market, and this is the thing. Before I went to bed last night, I thought, well, what if it turns around and engulfs all this price action? It was like, that's not going to happen, because I know more than the market. That's the thing. The market will reward you for faithfulness, but it will punish you when you don't follow your rules. And this is the thing. All of the money that I was so happy about on this candle, that I expected to continue to get on this candle, it turned around and did exactly what I did not expect and ate my lunch. So I ended up giving all of this profit back, and had I gotten stopped out, I would have given back so much more than I gained and would have spent the week getting that money back. But guys, I'm showing you this to show you in real life that discipline is the holy grail in the market, and to remind you that you can absolutely do this. Even though I've screwed this up, guess what, guys? It's no big deal. It means now I have to bust my tail to get that back, but I'm going to be okay. The market is wonderful, and it's going to give me plenty of opportunity to make this paper back. Guys, I just want to remind you that you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have a terrific pip-filled trading week.